Nĩ mutino-inĩ wa barabara mwena wa Mwingi uria utigite aciari na arutwo a thukuru wa muthingi wa St Gabriel na Maithori thutha wa ciana cia gukuruhanio mutino-inĩ wa barabara uria wahanĩkire utuku wa Thaithano ona thengi ya mukana murumu wigie mathaa maria bathi cia thukuru ibatie gukorwo barabara-inĩ.
And for the national administration colleagues who are here, the movement of school buses is 6 to 6. Work with your police teams to ensure that is enforced. At another time when we are going to meet with the police, we are going to issue out our new plan on how we are going to manage the traffic police.
Safety belts.
Makiareria andiki a mahoro kiama giki ni gikuithitie mutharaba honge itiganite na kuga kuri andu mari toro wira-ini wao.
The driver was extremely fatigued after driving from 7 a.m. in the morning, a distance of approximately 900 kilometers. With a literal rest. After almost 16 hours of non-stop driving, it is safe to say the driver's reflexes and alert levels were at all-time low. We have many questions and we demand immediate answers.
Kiama giki gia guthingata wigiririki na ugitiri barabara-ini ni kihanite thikũ 14 bodi ya thukuru uyu na borithi a barabara aria othe mari barabara-ini iria bathi yo yahitukire makinyo igoti-ini kwaga guo o ene mamatware igoti-ini. Oho, County Commander wa Mombasa, Johnston Ipara, ni arutete mukana na kuga gutiri bathi ya thukuru iritwarithagio utuku na kuria muingi guteithĩrĩria hari kurunga mitugo kuria kwa ihinda riri kuri na ciana nyingi ciumite icigo itiganite cia bururi magikenia mwena wa Mombasa.
And we want to appeal all to school heads that no bus will be allowed to move during the night when it has the school logo. And anyone will be found to violate this directive will be arrested and arraigned in court.
Ona kuri oguo dereva wa rori iria yaguthanire na bathi ya thukuru uyu ni akinyitio igoti-ini ria Mwingi mbere ya mucirithania munene Kibet Sambu na kurekererio na bodi ya shiringi milioni 5 kana shiringi milioni 1 mbeca baribari. Atongoria ngurani ni macereire family imwe iria irakwiririo ni ciana igire mutino-ini ucio na kumenereria ruhonge rwa barabara nene Kenha hari ugondereru wira-ini wao.
Vizuri kuwe na drivers wawili. Ndio driver mmoja kuendesha gari kutoka Mombasa. Hiyo masaa yote kufika Mwingi. Jamani ingekuwa na wawili. Mmoja akishoka kama amechoka anapea mwingine anaendelea. Akipata na usingizi anapea mwingine anaendelea. Na pia hiyo masaa yenye imewekwa ikifika saa 12 hakuna gari ya shule inafaa.
Mwena-ini wake muciari wa ciana ici Joseph Musyoka egutura aririkanaga ciana ciake.
We had a lot of expectation towards those kids because they are kids who were very much responsible here at home, even in the school, and we had a lot of hope that in the future they will be even responsible to the entire society.
Akenya magietagirira ripoti nginyaniru kuma kuri arugamiriri a thukuru wa St Gabriel na arugamiriri a ministry ya githomo guku bururi-ini kiuria kinene ni hihi no witoro wira-ini wake. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.